Battery-powered bandsaws are a convenient and versatile tool for both professional and DIY woodworking projects. There are many products available to choose battery-powered bandsaws, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best battery-powered bandsaws from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Anbull Portable Bandsaw. The Anbull 20V Portable Cordless Bandsaw Kit comes with a powerful 5Ah lithium-ion battery, variable speed dial, and a 5x4-3/4-in deep cut capacity for rectangular stock. Its superior balance, built-in LED work light, and ergonomic soft grip back handle make for more accurate cuts. The saw blade guard can be adjusted to protect the saw blade from jamming and safer without hurting your hands. It's best for cutting metal, steel, aluminum, composite cables, angle iron, PVC pipe, and more. Number 2. Top 20V Cordless Bandsaw. The BHTOP Cordless Bandsaw is a powerful and versatile tool that allows you to work freely without the interference of wires. With its variable speed trigger and speed dial, you can easily adjust the cutting speed to match the material being cut, ensuring precise and efficient cuts every time. The large cutting capacity of 127mm x 127mm makes it perfect for cutting metal, steel, aluminum, and composite cable. This bandsaw operates at a maximum blade speed of 640 feet per minute, 16% faster than its closest competition, saving you valuable time on the job site. Its ergonomic design, including a soft grip back handle and adjustable saw blade guard, provides comfort and safety during use. The built-in LED light illuminates the cutting area for clear visibility. Overall, the BHTOP Cordless Bandsaw is a reliable and convenient tool for all your cutting needs. Number 3. Maxed 20V Portable Brushless Bandsaw Kit. The MEXXT Portable Bandsaw is a powerful 20V bandsaw that comes with a 2Ah lithium-ion battery. With a cutting capacity of 2.5 inches and a variable speed dial, this bandsaw is suitable for a variety of materials and applications. Its powerful pure copper brushless motor ensures smooth, burr-free, and spark-free cuts, making it ideal for working with steel, metal, aluminum, composite cables, angle iron, PVC pipe, and more. The saw's superior balance, built-in LED work light, and ergonomic soft grip back handle provide accuracy and comfort during use. It also features a serviceable steel shroud, rubber bumpers, and an adjustable saw blade guard for added safety and durability. The MEXXT Portable Bandsaw comes with a long-lasting .832mm 13mm 0.5mm 10/14 TPI blade that can be easily replaced, and users can choose different blades according to their specific needs. Number 4. Ryobi 18V 1 Plus Cordless 2.5 inches Portable Bandsaw. The Ryobi 18V Cordless Portable Bandsaw has a 2.5 inches cut capacity, making it ideal for cutting a variety of materials such as wood, metal, or plastic. The integrated pommel handle provides comfort and increased visibility. With a speed of 560 SFPM, it allows for quick cuts in all materials. The item is sold as a bare tool, and battery and charger are sold separately. This bandsaw is bulk packaged for shipping purposes. Number 5. Milwaukee's 2429-20 Cordless Subcompact Bandsaw. The Milwaukee Subcompact Bandsaw is a powerful tool that offers a compact size and lightest weight among cordless bandsaws, allowing for easy one-handed cuts. Its powerful motor can cut 3/4-inch EMT in 3 seconds, and with the XC battery, it can perform up to 150 cuts per charge. The tool has a 1 5/8 inches cut capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of cutting applications. The bandsaw meets OSHA guarding requirements and is suitable for one-handed use, making it convenient and easy to use. Additionally, the LED light highlights the cut line, providing extra precision and accuracy. Battery and charger are sold separately.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.